looking good, but look at your boy. Oh my god. What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV. Back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to be doing another Match It or Trash It. This is actually episode 2 of season 1, and for all the people that don't follow along and haven't seen another one of these series, what we actually do is we take a sneaker from my collection and then we go to Ross or some other retail store and we actually make an outfit out of it and try to match it, of course, like the title said. But for this episode, I think we're actually going to do that in reverse. So what I'm going to do is try to match my Lakers jersey shirt thing right here. I'm gonna try to find some sneakers or maybe even some gym shorts that can go with it, maybe some yellow gym shorts, or maybe just find some purple and yellow sneakers, and maybe this will work out a little bit better than what we were doing before. But before we go ahead and get right into the video, let me go ahead and say major shout out to Rodney for rolling with me to the Miami Improv to go see Andrew Schultz last night. That was a movie. Go ahead and roll some footage from last night. So I met Andrew Schultz. This guy is a comedian and he's also a podcaster. I love this guy. Like, I listen to every podcast he comes out with every week. His podcasts are the Flagrant 2 podcast and then the Brilliant Idiots, and I'm forgetting one more that he has. And on top of that, he has his own like comedy show that he runs on his own YouTube, and he also tours, which is obviously where we went to the Miami Improv. And you know, somebody that you consume their content every single week, it's kind of crazy to sit there and meet them because you never think of meeting that person, so it just kind of was like one of those experiences. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. Let's get right. Alright, so we're inside of Ross. I don't think I see any colors that are gonna match this, and I think that that's the most difficult part. Just as a side note though, these right here, I don't know what these are. This is some kind of basketball shoes. These are pretty dope. Alright guys, there was a misfortunate turn of events out here at Ross, but of course it's not gonna break my positivity. I actually, for once, for some reason, I actually asked the manager if I can film in the store, and well, he said yes at first, but then he looked in the rule book and said that there needed to be a media release or something along those, you know. I did pick something up here from Ross to get this outfit challenge complete. Now, it's not exactly matching per se, but it's gonna work. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys more in depth when I get back to the house. But we got some Adidas basketball sneakers right here. These are like an all white with a little dash of gray and black. Very simple, and it can basically go with anything. And you know, you cannot leave out that golden yellow. So I got some socks, of course, some stance socks for $5. So you can't go wrong right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that outfit when I get back to the house. So without any further ado, let's... Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I got an outfit thrown together. The one thing that I do want to point out with Match It or Trash It is the fact that I try to make it as affordable as possible for the kids and the people out there that cannot go out and spend a whole bunch of money on hype clothes, which I personally don't do that. If I do, it's probably like some tour merch or something like that, but most of the time I don't ever spend a lot of money on clothes, and I like to spend a lot of money on shoes. But in this case, I definitely didn't spend a lot on clothes, and I didn't spend a lot on sneakers. It all came out to exactly $42 and I think 60 cents. That is dope. For the basketball sneakers, we actually got here the Adidas Crazy Team. I really do love these sneakers, and they're actually a size 10, which I think is weird that they fit me. I'm a size 11 in almost every other sneaker. Due to my ankle injury and everything like that, I decided to pick these up, and I fell in love with them because they have this high ankle support, and I really love that, and it felt great on my feet, even with it being a smaller size, and I think that's probably what I really needed. And to throw this outfit together, it's obviously a white sneaker, so it'll almost almost go with anything. I kind of wanted to throw these golden kind of stance socks in there. I thought that these would definitely match it, and as you guys can see, I'm a little colorblind, but it definitely matches it for the most part. I really love this outfit challenge. Shout out to mom for picking me up this Lakers jersey t-shirt. I really love this, and I think I actually got a great outfit thrown together. And the white pants that you see right here, or the white shorts, are champion shorts. These were actually something that I already had, so I didn't want to go and purchase some more stuff when I already had the stuff at my house. And that's the thing with these outfit challenges, is also that you don't have to spend a lot of money, and number two, the fact that if you have the stuff at home, use those. Like there's no need to go out and buy all this hype stuff and whatnot. And that's what I love about this series, is because I'm bringing you guys content that's actually affordable and something that anybody out there can do. But ultimately, guys, I really love this pickup right here, and I'm actually gonna be using these basketball sneakers as I've been cleared to play basketball now. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Also, make sure you let me know down below if this was a win on the outfit challenge. Thanks, guys. Jolo2TV out. LeBron!